Hi, I am Ghanshyam Khilar from Career of Technology. Today we are going to learn about Delta PLC software, that WPL soft. You can see here, this is the WPL soft 2.51 version. Just I am clicking here. Now WPL soft of Delta PLC software is opening. This is my existing project. You can take a fresh new project, click here as new, and the you can type here the project title, like I am typing here, this is, yes, you can type, I am typing here Tata. Okay, and this is project what, Tata. Yes, I can mention here Nano. Okay, you can select here as your PLC model. As my PLC model is DVP-14SS2, so I have mentioned here as SS2 and click here. Okay, now my user interface is open. Now what you will do for a, I am preparing here as a basic small program for the trial. Here you can see, this is my input, this is x0, and you can uh, mention the tag name or comment as it is start button, or you can type here as selector switch, SCLE selector switch. Okay, then click here. Okay, then if you will take a coil like y0, this is my output. You can see here the range is mentioned here from y0 to y377, maximum range in DVP 14SS2 Delta PLC. You can mention here the comment or tag name, like you can I am typing here, this is light. Okay, then my a small program is created now, and what I have to do now, I will compile this one, or before compiling I have to save this one when I am in desktop. Okay, save. Okay, what we have to do, we have to compile this one before simulation. So what is the purpose of compiling? That means you have to check the your commands and syntax, or whatever the program inside it. Now I am checking, error checking, that means compiling is completed. Here you can see in the left side below corner, compiling is completed. Okay, now my compiling is completed, that means there is no any error in syntax or command. So you can see here, this is the simulator, and you can click here for simulation. Yes, now you can see here, this is simulation, or simulator mode is on. Now you can write this program in your virtual PLC. Click here, then you can see here that is PC to PLC, that means it is download. And if you want to, in case of uh, upload, you can see here PLC to PC, the arrow mark will be reversed. Now what I will do, I am going to write this program into the PLC, so I have to click on OK. Then this program is downloaded, or this program is right in my virtual PLC. Now what I have to do, I have to do this one, I have to run this PLC. Then what I will do, go online. Now I am in, I have gone into the online mode. Now what I have to do, yes, I click here, this is set on, that means my output is on. And if that means my selector switch is on now, if I want to off this selector switch, now my output is off. This is the basic features of Delta PLC in DVP-14SS2. If you want any more details video in any particular subject or particular topic, comment below in this video, then I will make the video as per your requirement. Thank you so much, thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe my channel to be updated.